What's up?
You need to come to Shanghai.
Bags are packed. I'm coming. So I am in the secret FPV drone dungeon of Mr. Drew Drones himself in Shanghai. We are going to be doing FPV 1-inch and 360 content today. But first, let's talk through the mechanics and setup. So go ahead.
For the 1-inch sensor today, we're going to be using a Badger 6-inch. It's on 4S. Little custom printed TPU mount right here to hold the 1-inch in place. The best solution I found is really to keep it in the case that it comes with and just find a mount that works for you. For the 360 is where we get a little bit more technical. You really want to consider having a mount that is hidden so that once you do ever flip back and look at the drone, which, you know, drone selfies are the new thing, you really want to be able to not see this. So try keep it as flat as possible. I've actually added a kink into it, and that's really to center the camera, just to offset it, so that when you're looking back at the drone, you're looking back at it right in the middle.
And you 3D printed this one yourself?
Yeah, correct.
Right?
This is 3D printed. I've been working with a guy called Dahai. He's been developing all our 3D mounts for this, so maybe one day you can find them on Thingiverse, who knows?
Oh, nice. Entrepreneurial spirit, I like it. But anyway, as I say, we're focusing 1-inch 360. We're going to be taking a new perspective of some of the most famous spots in Shanghai, so stay tuned for that, and I think it's time for us to get going.
Let's pack up the bags and go.
So we've came to the first location. We've chosen a nice urban environment with lots of buildings so we can get some cool 360 shots here. So whilst we're here, Mr. Drew Drones, give us some of your top tips for this kind of shooting environment.
Since we're shooting downtown, the number one thing would be to get approval. Second thing would be to maintain line of sight with your drone so that you don't fail safe. And number 3, have a visual spotter.
So let's fly.
Let's do it.
Second location, we're here to do a 360 building dive. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna take this 360 mod and hopefully we can get some cool looking drone selfie and post. Maybe we can building dive and have it facing the drone or something like that and see what it looks like.
It's very tall, so. that is a wrap on Insta360 TV. Take Shanghai with drone drones using the 360 mod and the 1-inch sensor for probably some of the most ridiculous shots we've ever had on Insta360 TV. So you better subscribe if you haven't already. Show massive love down in the comments for this guy. And on that note, make sure you follow him on Instagram. His videos are ridiculous. I'll link that down there. Thank you so much. Oh, and we'll see you for the next one. I thought Gabby was having a stroke there.